Hello everybody, I'm Debbie Indahar-Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update. Spring is here and I hope you're enjoying this great springtime weather we've got that we're enjoying. So in the video today I'll talk about three topics, some recent articles that are in the newspaper. I'll talk about where the average and median home prices zipped up to in Milpitas. That'll be real exciting to share that number with you. And then I'll present some of the open house activity that I had this weekend and my future open houses coming this weekend. So let's dive into what's happening on the level of the newspaper articles regarding the housing market. The Milpitas Post last week reported California housing market overview remains optimistic. And I would concur with that. Certainly we've had a lot of optimism in the market. A lot of sellers are returning. I've got a couple sellers from last year that are returning back to the market this year. I've got sellers out looking that will be selling here shortly, moving out of the Bay Area and into other states, out of state of California. So those sellers are coming on board. So we're seeing more inventory come up, which is good for our market. And then the San Jose Mercury News on March 17th, St. Patrick's Day, yesterday, reported area job markets still recovering. They reported that the region lost 27,000 positions to start 2023, but recent hirings are a little bit short of pre-COVID level. I'm not seeing that really have an effect on the housing market per se. Because of low inventory, we have limited a supply that's for sale for houses, and certainly a very high demand from the buying end. So housing prices will continue to push upward, which they have recently. So let me share with you the February 2024, last month, the average home price in Milpitas, are you ready for this, is up to $1,835,721. That is so exciting, especially if you're sitting on some long-term equity and you're saying, when is the right time to get out? Now is the time to pull the trigger. Median price is at $1,705,000. So the numbers have gone up. Milpitas continues to be a hot spot for buyers. It's a great area that's central for commuting. It has great schools, great family presence activities. We got a great community center, lots of things for the kids to do. It's just a great place to live and to raise your family. So on that note, I had an open house at 871 Beaver Creek Way in San Jose. That's in the Berryessa area, just on the border of San Jose, the 95133 zip code. It is a 5-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,550 square foot townhouse. Really cute. It's on a corner of the complex, so it has extra windows. And of course, it was a beautiful weekend I had open. The price point on that one is $998,888. I had 25 families visit my open house on Saturday, and then a little over 20 plus, 21, 22 on Sunday. So great traffic. We've had about 8 downloads of disclosures from agents that are looking to maybe make an offer on the home. And offers will be due this Wednesday, day after tomorrow, at 12 o'clock, so I can share with you in my next video if we were able to sell that property, and I think we will. With 8 downloads, I'm expecting maybe 2 or 3 offers on that property. And then coming up this weekend, I have 2 wonderful properties in Milpitas. One is a home in Sunny Hills area. The address is 289 Autry Street. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,200 square feet, but it has been completely redone. The seller has lived there 2 years, and he's transferring out to Indiana with Google. So he bought the home with the VA loan, and 2 years ago he got an interest rate of 3.65%. So the loan balance is down to $1,450,000, and the loan is assumable. He will go in and let his VA assumability go away with that loan approval. So it's a great opportunity for a very minimum down payment for a buyer to latch on to a great interest rate loan on that. So that'll be open Saturday, Sunday from 11:30 to 1:30. I'll be there if you want to stop by. And then the other home that I have is at 1207 Matterhorn Court in Milpitas. That's a duet home. It's right off of Mount Shasta and Park Victoria Drive. It's in the Sinnott Elementary School, which is the #1 school in Milpitas, so it should have a lot of good activity for the open house. The price point on that 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,500 square foot home is $1,298,888. Look at the photos. It's really staged well. It does need some updating, but it's in really, really good condition. The kitchen could use freshening up and updating, but it's got great pavers on the side yard and the backyard, great yard, vaulted ceiling, very modern looking property. It has actually a loft upstairs, which works well for a home office. So if you want to stop by, that is 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock this Saturday and Sunday. And then I'm setting an offer deadline that week, that Wednesday, for both properties to get those both sold. So exciting news. We got a lot of activity going on with lots of buyers. If you want to get your home ready, give me a call, 408-945-8988. I have a team ready. I have stager ready. I have handyman ready. I have painters ready. I have cleaners ready. I have a gardener ready. And in a week or two, we can get your home up and running and on the market with no stress. So look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching, and we'll give you an update next week. Take care. Bye-bye.